Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Weber Summit Kamado charcoal grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the new Weber Summit Kamado S6 charcoal grill. This is the cart model. It's also available without the cart. When these first came out a few years ago, they weren't called Kamados, and they cost a good deal more. Weber changed the name, dropped a few features, and re-released them for a much lower price. You used to get gas ignition on both models. Now it only comes on the cart model. The cart model still has a storage drawer. The old version had a slightly more solid lower shelf. And instead of Weber's swing-out charcoal bin on the right, it includes their new charcoal bag. Not a bad trade-off. A little window up front. Velcro seal. Hey. Still has Weber's tried and true one-touch system that combines ash removal and temperature control. Still has tool hooks. Still has an old-fashioned bimetal thermometer and their very cool rapid-fire exhaust damper. You gotta love that. Big old hinge in the back. Still has the double wall lid with insulation strip. Still has the double wall air insulated bowl. The inner liner terminates right above the charcoal grate. Heat rises up the sides between the two walls. Here's that gas ignition burner, cart model only. When you're smoking low and slow, this diffuser rests above the charcoal to moderate and even out heat. These holes allow just a little more circulation so the fire can breathe. The old diffuser had hinged sections on the sides to allow access to the charcoal. Weber felt most people weren't using that feature, so it got cut. Indeed, Kamados are known to run for long durations at low temps on a single load of fuel. Another difference is the old diffuser was double-walled. This is not. I placed that heavy charcoal grate down low for smoking and roasting. But here's something we really like. With Summits, you can raise the fuel grate up high, about 4 inches below the cook's surface, for super searing. And you get Weber's char baskets. This is one way to set up 2 zones, with the hot fire on each side and a moderate indirect zone in the middle. We also like this stainless steel rod cooking grate. The hinged side stayed on the new Summit Kamados. Both sides are hinged to replenish fuel. And Summits include Weber's gourmet cooking system. Remove this circular center and replace it with a griddle, wok, or pizza stone. And that's it. Very little has really changed except the price, which decreased by about a third. Those who thought the original models were too expensive may want to take a second look at the new Weber Summit Kamado charcoal grills. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.